Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Hey! We're the muzzle loaders from Fort Union Trading Post National Historic Site. Hey, Tom, how's the weather?
Oh, thank you for taking the time to do that, especially right before you guys got nailed with the snow yesterday. The big winners, 12 inches of snow at Fort Union Trading Post. And in case you didn't know, and I know Lauren mentioned it was near Williston, back in the mid-1800s, it was a big fur trading area. And so a lot of stuff going on there. These are all volunteer living historians. Now, the forecast for you for tomorrow, temperatures will be below zero, and guess what? Snow. It looks like it's going to be kind of a cold week ahead of us. Here's wind chill advisory, eastern Montana, all of North Dakota. Also winter weather advisory off to the east. That'll expire in a little bit. This is a 36-hour loop. Here we are in the morning. You can see how the snow moves in. There were breaks during the day. We're getting into be game time last night. Look at the snow. And even when we got little breaks, more came back in, little breaks here or there. And then this is well after midnight. The snow is finally pulling away. 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, really light snow. So that was a 36-hour loop. And now, if you look off to the west, you can see more snow coming back in. Yeah, it is time to dig out. This is what 11 inches of snow will do after the snow's been plowed. So this is where the plow went by. Snow's buried. That is not going to be a lot of fun to dig that car out. Now, as we mentioned, just 3 miles south of Fort Union Trading Post, 12 inches of snow on the report there from the Weather Service. 6 miles south-southwest of Russell, 11.5. Minot and Williston right at 11. Easily had 11 in my driveway. 6 inches of 6 miles south of Stanley, 10 inches. Lansford, Willow City, Watford City, all major snow totals here. Strasburg at 5 inches. Harvey at 4.5. Now 2 miles northwest of Bismarck, almost 4.5 inches. A lot of Bismarck got right around 4 inches. Dickinson 4 inches. New Salem 2.5 inches. So most of the really heavy snow is farther north. Now this week temperatures will be below zero all week long. We won't even get near zero till Saturday, and that's only in a few spots. And there will be few chances of snow this week. High temperatures today topped out in the single digits below zero. It has been a really, really cold day. You can see the temperatures 5 to 10 degrees below zero right now in the south, and pretty much the same thing in the north. A very consistent air mass, just cold everywhere. Wind chills 20, 25 below is an average, a little bit colder for the wind chill in Linton. And in the north, except for Sydney, where it must not be much wind there, still some really, really cold wind chills, and it's going to stay this way. And it's not like we have a lot of wind here. We're looking at about 5 to 10 mile an hour wind, most locations, so that's not a lot of wind. Our precision cast, here we are tomorrow morning at 6, maybe not a whole lot of snow tomorrow. Could be a little bit coming in tonight. Here we are at 9 o'clock, and then here we are tomorrow evening, another band of snow coming in. And it kind of moves through, and then Wednesday morning, snow off to the southeast. So snow potential, and this is just tomorrow's snow. This would be the heaviest area, probably around 3 inches. Most places 1 to 3, so it's not going to be terribly heavy. Forecast temperatures tomorrow morning are going to be pretty cold. These are actual temperatures to start the day. It's going to be a very, very cold week. It really won't warm up a whole lot during the day. We stay below zero. We stay below zero all week long. Wind chills are going to be bitterly cold all week, so if you have to be out, really bundle up. Here's a look at the next several days, and below zero temperatures well into the weekend and maybe into next week. Doesn't look like much chance of the snow on Sunday. That's good, at least in the north, but still we have very cold temperatures for several more days.
Yeah, it's going to last a while.
Just the start of it. Thanks, Tom. Coming up in our 5 at 5.